Meaning of decider.
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 Decider. The term decider refers to something or someone that makes a decision or determines the outcome of a matter. It can refer to a person who is responsible for making decisions in a company or organization, or to an event or circumstance that ultimately affects the outcome of a situation. The result of a decider can have significant consequences, whether positive or negative, depending on the context in which it occurs. Ultimately, the importance of a decider lies in its ability to shape the future by choosing a particular course of action.